Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can remove Face ID password facial recognition on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down and tap on biometrics and security. Then tap on face recognition. Next, put in the screen lock password or PIN. And in here at the top, tap on remove face data. Then tap on remove. And that's it. Your face recognition data has now been removed from the device. Now you can no longer unlock your device with Face ID. To do that, you will need to set up a new Face ID. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.